Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, can you guess what we're going to do today? Yeah, we're going to clean up the sounds. Ooh, that looks clean. Ooh, nice. So first I'm adding an equalizer to all the tracks. And I made a default preset with a cutoff at 20,000 Hz and 20 Hz. And as you can see, I'm not EQing a lot. I just want a little bit of the low end. Here I'm just testing out different slopes to see what gives me the best result. For the very low end, it's best to do a gentle slope. If you do it too steep, it will add energy to your signal. I didn't do it in this example, but later when I do some tweaking, I will correct it. And of course I'm cutting off 20k and higher because we cannot hear it anyway, so why should it be in a signal chain? It's only going to interfere with other sounds. And with this hi-hat, it's the perfect example why I'm doing this. Remember in the second video where I did a low cut on every channel? Well, this hi-hat still has a lot of noise in the low end because it got reintroduced when I was processing it. So that's why I'm using the cleaning EQ to clean out all the noise that got reintroduced and isolate that sound. And if I don't do it, all the noise from the 30 plus sounds will eventually build up. I'm calling it a cleaning EQ because that's basically what it's doing. After processing a signal, especially with emulations, there is noise being added to that signal. So that's why I'm cleaning the signal. You could also call it isolating the sound, making sure that only the important frequencies are audible. This also is a very easy way. It takes a lot of time, but it's an easy way to get a lot of clarity in your music. I have to be careful not to take too much of the low end because the sound will sound thin. Can you see how much energy is still in the low end after a low cut? Here also the slope is way too steep, but I'm going to correct it later. And with the bass it's the other way around. I'm taking out all the higher frequencies that I don't need for this sound. Can you see the clarity? Ooh, that's clear. Ooh. I'm stopping the video right here because the rest is just rinse and repeat.
Wax on, wax off.
So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace out!
Here comes the drop.